will stay on mute and we will not use our English books today. हम सिर्फ एक नोटबुक अपने पास रखेंगे और पेंसिल, कोई भी नोटबुक जिसमें आप रेगुलरली अपना काम करते हो, कोई भी नोटबुक we can use. Right? आयशा दीदी, आपने स्टार्ट किया रिकॉर्डिंग? Okay. So one child now, everyone will stay on mute. Who will tell me? Arya, beta, please tell me कि हमारे rules क्या है class के? What are the rules that we are following?
दीदी पहले
yeah.
दीदी पहले म्यूट पे जाना है सबको, फिर जब भी आप भी बोलोगे, मतलब आप बोलोगे कुछ बच्चों को, बस वो ही आंसर देगा, बाकी सब बाकी सब लोग चुप, मतलब म्यूट करके बैठ जाएंगे। और दीदी जो आपने कल रूल निकाला था, हैंड रेज नहीं हम लोग करेंगे कल से, तो हम लोग हैंड रेज नहीं करेंगे, बस जो आप बोलेंगे रॉन्ग या राइट, बस उतने ही हम लोग थम्स अप दिखाएंगे, राइट होगा तो रॉन्ग होगा तो थम्स डाउन।
Very good, Arya. Very good. So these are our rules and we will use the chat option. Okay? We will use the chat option a lot today. So what did we do yesterday? What did we do yesterday? Who will tell me? Let me just ask Gauri. Yes, Gauri beta. Please unmute yourself. All others will stay on mute. Yes, Gauri, what did we do yesterday? क्या किया था? The frog. The frog. Page number 12 of the frog in a well, right? What was the concept behind what we did? हम क्या पढ़ रहे थे? क्या पढ़ रहे थे हम? Huzaifa beta, you want to try? Yes, beta, speak.
हम काइंडनेस के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे।
Yeah, we read about kindness in our class meeting, but after that in our English class, Didi asked you to write something. Yes, Pari will speak. Pari, but आगे से nobody will raise hands, okay? Yes, Pari. What? क्या पढ़ा था पर? Story, right? The frog story. It was a poem. Beta, please stay on mute. Everyone, please stay on mute, beta. दीदी ने रूल बताया है ना? हुजैफा बेटा go on mute. ईश्वरी बेटा you also go on mute. Okay. I can see कि सभी बच्चे बात मान रहे हैं. Please stay on mute. तभी हम सुन पाएंगे ना? Didi asked you to write something and Didi told you yesterday about reading comprehension. Right? We learned about reading comprehension yesterday. What did Didi tell you about reading comprehension? There was this sentence जो आप सबने लिखा था, जो white board पे आपके सामने था. What was it? Okay, Ishwari. And only Ishwari will speak. You all others can use the chat option. बेटा ईश्वरी, कल हमने क्या पढ़ा था reading comprehension के बारे में? What did we understand about it? We wrote something in our notebook. One sentence only. It's okay. You can go on mute. I will ask just a second. Yes, Shreyas is using the chat option. You can also write it down in the chat option. Shreyas, beta, please unmute yourself and speak.
I understand.
Beta, you're on mute, Shreyas.
I understand what I read.
Yes, very good. It was that I will understand what I read. I am not going to read it only for the sake of reading it. ऊपर ऊपर से रीडिंग नहीं करनी है. We have to understand कि स्टोरी है या पोएम है उसमें क्या हो रहा है. Okay? ऐसे ही today we'll also do some more of reading comprehension, right? Didi will start the screen sharing now and we all will stay on mute. Okay, we all will stay on mute. And when I speak the name of the child, only that child would speak. All right, Aisha Didi, please share the screen for the first story, the kitten one. Okay, can you all see the screen? Harsh, beta, please unmute yourself and speak. Can you all see the, yeah, okay, you can see the screen. Very good. So, Soham, beta, unmute karo, Soham. Beta, please read the first line. Soham. Okay. Harshita. Beta, please unmute yourself, Harshita. Harshita, beta, speak the first line.
लक्ष दे काय बोलतात तिथं लक्ष दे
हर्षिता हर्षिता बेटा आपको स्क्रीन नजर आ रही है I think she is not able to hear. There is some problem with the mic. Okay. I will ask Gargi. Beta Gargi, can you please speak the first line? Please read the first line. Gargi. Gargi, beta, you're on mute. Aisha Didi, can you hear me?
Yes, you're audible.
No, Shravani, beta, just a second. Gargi is not able to hear me. Yes, Shravani, now you read, beta. Shravani, read the first line. The kitten. Beta, read the kitten. Shravani.
Yes.
Beta, speak the kitten.
Kitten.
Yeah, now read the first line.
Did the six fox has brown and dry and with the
Lost. Okay. Yeah. Right, beta. Now, Shravani, you can go on mute also. Only the first line. So it is the kitten. Mary found a kitten. Kitten क्या होता है? Who will tell me kitten क्या होता है? Harsh, beta, unmute yourself.
बिल्ली का
Only Harsh will speak. Yes, beta. Right. Only Harsh will speak, beta. मैंने हर्ष को बोला है ना ऐसे फिर किसी को भी नहीं सुनाई देगा. Very good, Harsh. All others go on mute now. So Mary found a kitten. The kitten was brown and gray and white. The kitten was lost. So what does Mary find? Mary को क्या मिला? Soham, beta, what does Mary find? Faiza, beta, what does Mary find? Faiza? Nobody is able to hear me or what today? I don't know. Krishna, beta, you want to try? Krishna, beta, please unmute yourself.
Isha, your voice is audible enough.
I don't know, but something is wrong. The kids are not answering. Yeah, Krishna, beta, please speak. What does Mary find?
Kitten.
Kitten. Very good. So, okay, I'll read the next line now. What a cute kitten, said Mary. Mary took the kitten home. We cannot keep that kitten, said Mary's mom. So what did Mary do? Mary took the kitten home. And the mother said, we can't keep the kitten home. So who will tell me what did the mom say about the kitten? I will ask Pratiksha. Pratiksha, please unmute yourself and speak. What did Mary's mother say? Beta, it's there only. Just try and see, Pratiksha. Right. Right. She said we cannot keep that kitten. Now what happens next? There was a knock on the door. It was Mr. Johns from next door. So there was a knock on the door. Jesse, the mother and Mary were speaking. Someone came at the door और उन्होंने knock किया. Who was he? Who was at the door? Who was at the door? Vineet, beta, please unmute yourself and speak. Who was at the door? Vineet?
Kitten.
Vineet, who was at the door?
Johnny's.
Johns. Say Johns. Mr.
Johns.
Johns was at the door. Right. Now what happens next? Have you seen a kitten? Mr. Johns said. Mary showed Mr. Johns the kitten. Mr. Johns said, yes, that is my kitten. So what happened? What happened? Ab kya hua? Whose kitten was it? Just a minute. Huzefa? Beta, whose kitten was it? Huzefa? Beta, please unmute yourself, Huzefa.
Yes, that is my kitten, said.
दीदी आपकी वाइफ नहीं आ रही है.
बेटा आवाज, बेटा प्लीज चेक, थोड़ा नेटवर्क का इशू होगा बेटा. आवाज तो आ रही है क्योंकि बाकी एवरीबॉडी इज एबल टू हियर मी.
Come live with my kitten.
Saurabh, you're speaking.
Yes.
Okay, so whose kitten was it, Saurabh? वो kitten किसकी थी? Please name that person.
Johnny's.
John's. It was Mr. John's kitten. And what did he say to Mary then? You can come play with my kitten whenever you want to. So what do you think? Didi, you can stop the screen share now. What do you think? How did Mary feel after Mr. John said that you can come and play with my kitten? Harsh will tell me. Everybody will stay on mute. Saurabh, please go on mute, beta. Harsh will tell me. Harsh, unmute yourself. You can use the chat option. Keep using the chat option and writing down. Harsh, beta, unmute yourself. What do you think, beta Harsh? कैसा लगा होगा Mary को when John's uncle said that you can come and play with my kitten?
Happy.
Happy. Samath is saying, I think Samath is saying sad. Someone is saying sad. Why do you think Mary would feel sad? Can you please give me the reason, beta? Why do you feel that Mary would have felt sad? Sad क्यों लगेगा Mary को? And why do you think Mary was happy? Who will justify their answer and tell me something? Ki why do you feel Mary was happy? Yadnesh, beta, you want to try?
मिस पेज नंबर क्या है?
बेटा कोई पेज नंबर नहीं है. दीदी ने स्क्रीन शेयर किया था अभी, उस पे देखना था. कोई नोटबुक आपको नहीं खोलनी है. Pari, beta, please unmute yourself. Speak, beta. Pari, why do you think Mary was happy? Beta, unmute karo, Pari. Beta, Pari will answer now. Pari, unmute yourself. Why do you think Mary was happy?
Happy.
Yeah, she was happy. But why do you think she was happy? Everyone will use the chat option and write down their answer. Why do you think Mary was happy? What made Mary happy? Now you all are saying that when Mr. John said that she can come and play with the kitten anytime, she was happy. Why was she happy? Arya, beta, you want to try? Arya, beta, please unmute yourself and speak. Didi, please put everyone on mute.
दीदी क्योंकि
दीदी सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है आपकी आवाज.
दीदी आपने म्यूट किया है. दीदी आपने म्यूट किया है. आपने म्यूट किया है.
Everyone stay on mute. Saurabh, beta, go on mute. अभी कोई नहीं बोलेगा. हमारा था ना क्लास का रूल कि हम बीच में नहीं बोलेंगे जब कोई बच्चा बात करेगा. We will not speak in between. We will not speak in between, beta. We will not speak in between. दीदी will speak your name और तब आप बोलना. आप chat option use करो सभी बच्चे और मुझे बताओ why was Mary happy? Yes, Samarth, beta. Unmute yourself. Only Samarth will speak now.
दीदी कैट को मिल्क मिला तो इसलिए हैप्पी हुई.
कैट को मिल्क मिला? आपने स्टोरी में कहाँ देखा कैट को मिल्क मिला? Generally, yes, cats are happy when they get milk, but in the story, and I'm asking why was Mary happy? So beta, Mary was happy because she liked the kitten. और वो kitten को रखना चाहती थी, and Mr. Johns allowed her to play with the kitten, so she was happy. क्योंकि वो अब kitten के साथ खेल पाएगी, right? And इस story में कौन कितने कितने characters थे इन story में? Just tell me the number with your fingers only. 1, 2, 3. How many characters were there in this story? Just think about it once. Just think about it. Someone said 4. Just a second. Someone said 4. Very good. Krishna, beta, you are saying 4. Please name the 4 characters, Krishna. Unmute yourself, Krishna.
Kitten, cat, Jones और उसकी माँ.
There was Mr. Johns. Then there was Mary. Then there was only a kitten. There was no cat. So there are 3. And what do you think? How? Okay. Very good, Krishna. Good try. And if I have to ask you, please define Mary in one word. How was she like? मतलब with other people also. Mary को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? Was she a good person or she was not a good person? Was she a good girl? Was Mary a good girl? Ayush? Beta, unmute yourself, Ayush. Beta, was Mary a good girl? Was she a good person?
Yes.
And why do you think she was a good person?
क्योंकि वो cat animals ना help animals को से प्यार करता है.
Mary was a good person, yes, because she helped animals and she loved animals and everyone around her. Very good, Ayush. So we came to know that Mary was a kind girl, right? Now we'll go to our next story. Aisha Didi, please share the next screen. I think it's the balloon one, I guess. The balloon story, yeah. Now again, we'll share the screen and we all will stay on mute and we'll read it. Didi will read the story. A balloon ride. Didi, can you please zoom it a little bit? Yes, keep using the chat option and keep writing down on the chat option. Yeah, thank you. A balloon ride. So I'll read the story now. A man landed his balloon in the middle of a field.
Landing a balloon in the
Saurabh, beta, go on mute. Saurabh. Beta, Didi is reading now. Saurabh. You all can read, but you have to stay on mute, okay? Very good. A man landed his balloon in the middle of a field. The man got out of the balloon and went to the farmhouse. So what happens here? So there's a man and he landed his balloon in the middle of a field. एक बहुत बड़ा farm था, एक field था. उसने वहां, आपने कभी वो air gas balloon देखा है? If you have seen it, show me a thumbs up. Air gas balloon, जिसमें बैठने की भी जगह होती है. People can actually sit inside the basket और जो हवा में होता है. Yeah, we are talking about that balloon only. Very good. So the man landed his balloon in the middle of a field. There is this big field, big farm. There he landed his balloon. And he got out of it. वो खुद उससे बाहर आया. And then he went to the farmhouse. There he had a house in the farm. So that is called a farmhouse. If there is a house, आपने देखा है बहुत बड़े बड़े फील्ड होते हैं, खेत होते हैं, और बहुत बड़े खेत के बीच में there is a house, that is called a farmhouse. So he got out of the balloon and he went to the farmhouse, right? Yes, keep using the chat option. Very good, kids. Very good. So the animals went to see the balloon. So if there is a farmhouse, generally it is seen that in a farmhouse you will have animals. कौन-कौन से animals होते हैं generally farmhouse पे? I'll just tag a child and I'll ask him, and only that child will speak. No, beta, please stay on mute. Beta, stay on mute. Stay on mute, please. Ishwari. Yes, Ishwari, beta, you speak.
फार्म हाउस में डोंकी, हैन, पिग
ओके, डोंकी, hen, पिग, और कौन कौन से एनिमल्स आपने देखे हैं फार्म हाउस पे डोंकी, hen और पिग के अलावा? ओके, हॉर्स ऑल्सो. आयशा दीदी, प्लीज पुट एवरीवन ऑन म्यूट. आयुष, नो बेटा, नो आयुष.
sheep,
नो बेटा, नो. एवरीवन. सौरभ, मैंने आपको क्या बोला था? मैं जिस बच्चे का नाम बोलूंगी सिर्फ वो बोलेगा ना, है ना? So now who will tell me? Saurabh, now beta you unmute yourself and speak. Now you speak. Now only Saurabh. Do we see on a farm?
horse, goat, sheep, buffalo, cow.
Right, right. So you know that all the animals that we generally see on the farm. Very good, Saurabh. Now you go on mute. I can see kids using the chat option. Very good. So, okay. So what happened? The animals went to see the balloon. So when this balloon came, so all the animals were excited and they wanted to see it. So they went to see the balloon. What happens then? The horse got inside the basket. Now everyone carefully listen to me because I will ask you a question in the end. बहुत ध्यान से सभी बच्चे म्यूट पे रह के and you will listen to me. Beta, go on mute, Ishwari. Beta, please. Yeah. So what happened? The hen got in the basket. कौन सी basket? Balloon की जो basket होती है उसमें. The hen got in the basket first. Then who came second? The pig got in the basket. पहले hen गया. Then the pig also came. Then the balloon went up. Okay. Then the balloon went up. Balloon उड़ने लग गया फिर. The man saw the balloon go up. And the man was inside the farm and he saw that someone is taking away his balloon. So the man ran out. So the man ran towards the balloon. But he was too late. The animals went for a ride. Now who will tell me कि सबसे पहले कौन सा animal जो है basket में गया? Nobody will raise their hands and nobody will speak until and unless Didi asks him. Saurabh, beta, go on mute. Okay, Anushka. Anushka, beta, you want to try? सबसे पहले कौन सा animal गया basket में? Hen. Very good. Keep writing on the chat option as well. And सबसे end में कौन सा गया? Now Soham will say. Soham सबसे बाद में कौन सा गया फिर? Hen के बाद? कौन गया बेटा hen के बाद?
Pig.
Only Soham will speak. Only Soham will speak. Soham बेटा कौन गया hen के बाद? सोहम बेटा माइक वाला बटन प्रेस करो. Okay. Okay. So बेटा read this again. सबसे पहले hen गया. सबसे पहले गया horse. Then hen गया. Then pig गया. Sorry, this is my mistake. सबसे पहले the horse went. Then the hen and then the pig. So this is the number, okay? So the man was too late. किस चीज के लिए man late हो गया? आपको क्या लगता है? Shreyas beta, you want to speak? It says the man saw the balloon go up and the man ran out. He was too late. The man was too late. The man was late for what? Shreyas? Shreyas, beta, can you hear me? Oh, Shreyas is not here. I think Vineet, beta, you want to try?
Yes, ma'am.
The man was too late. किस चीज के लिए man late हो गया था? Aisha Didi, you can stop sharing the screen now. Thank you. So the man was too late for what, Vineet? Okay, it's okay. कोई बात नहीं. I will ask Rohit. Beta, you want to speak? रोहित बेटा, द मैन वॉज टू लेट फॉर व्हाट? इसमें लिखा है कि वो लेट हो गया था. किस चीज के लिए लेट हो गया था वो? ट्राई करो आप, वो माइक वाला बटन प्रेस करो बेटा. प्रेस द माइक बटन ऑन द स्क्रीन एंड देन ट्राई एंड स्पीक. जो भी आपको लग रहा है आप वो बोलो. Some kids are using the chat option really good. Use the chat option. I'm really proud of you all for using the chat option. Everyone please try and use the chat option. Okay, so the man was late for what? The man was late for catching the balloon. उसने क्या देखा कि मेरा बलून लेकर सारे एनिमल्स जा रहे हैं, तो वो भागा उनको पकड़ने के लिए. बट ही कुड नॉट बिकॉज ही वाज लेट. वो बलून ऑलरेडी उड़ गया था. ओके, समझ आया बेटा? दिस इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू, एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई वाज ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू येस्टरडे आल्सो, कि व्हेन वी रीड समथिंग, जब हम किसी स्टोरी को या किसी भी टेक्स्ट को जनरली भी रीड करते हैं, or either if we are also reading a news in a newspaper. Soham beta, can you please sit straight, Soham? Thank you. जब भी हम generally कोई news भी हम पढ़ते हैं newspaper में, just for example, if you're reading a newspaper also or a news in a newspaper, so we try to understand what happened, right? सिर्फ उसको ऐसे नहीं होता है कि मैंने एक बुक ले ली और मैंने वो ऊपर से पढ़ लिया. No. We have to understand the story. What is happening in the story? Then only we can answer the questions properly. Now, like I asked you, ki man was too late. If you very carefully read it and listen to it and try to understand it, you will know in a second ki man, why was the man late? The man was late क्योंकि वो balloon ऊपर जा रहा था और वो उसको नहीं पकड़ पाएगा. This is called comprehending. ठीक है, उसको comprehend करना, उसको understand करना कि क्या हो रहा है, समझना कि उसमें कौन कौन से characters हैं, ये समझना कि how is the character feeling at that point, and also to understand what kind of a character the person is. Like we read in this beginning of the classes ना कि there is a positive character, then we have a negative character. In the same way जो हमने पहले story की है उसमें we came to know कि Mary जो बच्चा थी, she was a positive character because she was a kind girl. We have to understand the reasons behind what is happening in the story or in a poem or rather in any other text that we read. अभी जो आपकी online classes होंगी, these are going to be about reading comprehension only, so that you become used to reading the text very carefully. And Didi will keep asking you questions only. It is really important after we are done reading a text now, we should remember what we read. For example, Krishna beta, please unmute yourself. Only Krishna will speak now. Krishna beta, unmute karo. Krishna, what was the story about? The story that we just read? उसका टाइटल क्या था स्टोरी का? Keep writing on the chat option also what all questions I'm asking. I think his screen froze. It's okay. It was a balloon ride, right? And if I ask you, what was the story about? Like story में क्या हुआ? Give me a summary of it. Give me a crux of it. थोड़ा सा कि story में क्या हुआ? जल्दी से brief में बताना हो अगर आपको कि what was the story about? Ankita, beta, can you please try? All others, please stay on mute. Ankita, this story, the story we just read, the balloon ride. Ankita, please unmute yourself. Ankita, beta, unmute karo. Please tell me what was the story about the balloon ride? जो भी आपको समझ आया, आपने बलून राइड अभी एक स्टोरी पढ़ी, उसमें आपको क्या समझ आया? स्टोरी में कैरेक्टर्स थे ना, स्टोरी में बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स थे, स्टोरी में बहुत सारे एनिमल्स थे, then there was this man जिसका वो बलून था. It's okay बेटा अंकिता, go on mute. It's okay. So this is what I'm trying to say, everyone. Please listen carefully. कि whenever we read something, we have to read it mindfully. And whenever we listen something, we have to listen to it mindfully so that we remember. It is really important that we remember what we read, right? Only then we will be able to recall the events, and only then we will be able to answer the questions related on the characters or the character